Okay, so this video is for if you have just filmed a live video or a YouTube live video that is now posted on your YouTube channel. This is how you can edit some of those points that you may have messed up, or the beginning points where you were waiting for people to join your live webinar. You can actually edit those points out so that when people rewatch your live webinar, they don't have to sit through that 5 minutes or however long in the beginning to get to your video. I'm gonna show you how to do it. So you go to your YouTube channel, you get to your video that is posted on your channel. You're gonna scroll down, you're gonna go to edit video. So it's gonna pull up video details section. I did not enter anything into this video because this is just a test. You're gonna go to the left side where it says details and analytics. You're gonna scroll down to editor. That's gonna pull up the editor window. Now, if you scroll down, you'll see there's a video timeline and an audio timeline. I want to remove the entire beginning of this video so it can start right away. So I'm gonna click this button here, trim. That's gonna bring up this blue box. As you can see, it goes around the entire timeline. So right where I want that video to start, I'm gonna click split. So right here, I'm gonna take that blue line, I'm gonna scrub over all the points that I want to remove in the beginning of the video. So I'm gonna take that point, I'm gonna scrub it over to the very beginning. I wanna remove all of that. So as you can see, it's blanked it out. Now, if I were to start the video, it's gonna start right where I want it to. Now at the end of the video, let's say it shows me reaching for the camera, or I'm fumbling around, or I'm looking at how to turn off the live camera, I wanna cut that off. So I'm gonna take that bar that's at the end of the timeline, that blue bar, I'm gonna click it, and I'm gonna scrub it over to where I want it to stop, right there. So if I were to start this again, boom, stops right where I want it. Okay, let's say there's a part in the middle of the video that I want to remove. I'm gonna click that spot, I'm gonna click split. I'm gonna scrub with that line everything that I don't want. Now, it's going to skip that grayed out section and just jump right to where that new section starts. It's gonna cut out everything in that gray section. I can do that as many times as I want in my video that's already posted on YouTube. So you can remove as many sections as you need so you can keep that consumer engaged without watching any of the mess ups or mistakes. Okay, so when you've made all the edits that you've needed, you're gonna click the button preview. So you can watch the whole video with all the edits. If that looks good, you're gonna go up here and you're gonna click save. Now, it might take a few hours for YouTube to process those edits in your video. You're gonna click save, and then a window is gonna come up. It's gonna say video is being processed. Please check back later. You are able to exit out of the YouTube editor, and you can come back and check later and it will be complete. Now, this type of editing is for YouTube only, and it is a phenomenal trick if you do a YouTube live webinar that immediately gets posted to your channel after filming, so that you can go through and edit any mistakes that you've done.